Wi-Fi repeater. It has 6 antennas. Power on. I set it up as an access point with a cable. Wait until only 2 LEDs remain. Use your phone to set it up. Settings. Wi-Fi. Scan for surrounding wireless networks to find the device to set up. Turn off Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Device found. Repeater. Connect to it. No password required. Connection successful. You are redirected to the device setup page. Extender Wi-Fi settings. There are 2 options. You choose the second mode. Cable operation mode. Access point mode settings. Wi-Fi settings. Set the wireless password for this device. 1234567889. These are the wireless network name and password for the device. Finish. It takes about 30 seconds to apply the changes. I connect the cable to the device. I connect the device to the main router. Use your phone to check. The above is how to set up a Wi-Fi repeater to work in wired connection mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Refresh. Refresh. LEDs blinking. Repeater. This time the device asks for the wireless password. 1234567889. Connect. Connected.